Hey, Steve Basic. We're out here at the Riverside project, standing outside the foundation. And you can see here we have some rigid fiberglass there. It's about 3/4 of an inch. We got our waterproofing on the outside. You can see it does a really good job of coating the outside of that ICF. And then this rigid insulation, it's really not an insulating board. It's labeled more as a protection board. So when you're backfilling, this is going to get pushed up, and this is going to take the energy of, stones and the stone backfill here, so that you're not damaging the waterproofing up above here. So you just need a little bit of protection board there. And you see here, as you look down the wall, it'll get brought up to right about where grade is. So yeah, that's the tough and dry system, but we use it quite often. All right, Steve Basic Architect, looking at the Riverside.